Today's theme is think big, believe big, act big, and achieve big. Suppose if you want to achieve big, the first thing is thinking big. Thinking big. Whatever you achieve in life begins with a piece of thought. Now let us try to understand, going straight into the theme. इंसान के लिए कुदरत का सबसे बड़ा तोहफा क्या है? What is the greatest gift that nature has given to man? The ability to think. सोचने की क्षमता है कि नहीं? Do you agree with me or not? Nature's greatest gift to man is the ability to think. इंसान के लिए कुदरत का सबसे बड़ा तोहफा है सोचने की क्षमता. Now सभी मनुष्यों में, सभी जीवों में शारीरिक रूप से आदमी मनुष्य है. दो तरह का कई है. एक जो करते हैं लेकिन सोचते नहीं, दूसरा जो सोचते हैं लेकिन करते नहीं. People who do the things but they never think about it, and other type of people, those who think about things but they never do anything about it. सोचने की क्षमता का प्रयोग किए बिना जिंदगी गुजारना ठीक उसी तरह है जैसे बिना निशाने से तीर चलाना. Going through life without using the ability to think is like shooting without aiming. So दोस्तों, always think great thoughts. Make use of the options available instead of throwing the big fish back into water. What is this big fish? What is the big fish? एक मछुआरा मछली पकड़ते थे. वो क्या करता था? बड़ा मछलियों को वापस पानी में डाल देता था, छोटी मछलियों को उसके पास रख लेता था. किसी ने उससे पूछा वो ऐसा क्यों करता है? तो उनका जवाब था, मेरे पास एक छोटा बर्तन है. I have a small frying pan. So here the issue is not the size of the pan. The issue is the size of his thinking. Small thinking always brings small results because small thinking will always limit the possibilities that exist. यहाँ समस्या ये नहीं था उसका बर्तन का आकार नहीं था, मगर उसका सोच का आकार था. छोटी सोच से हमेशा छोटे परिणाम मिलते हैं, क्योंकि छोटी सोच उपलब्ध संभावनाओं को सीमित कर देती है. अगर आप अपने सपनों को सच करना है, आपको रचनात्मक बनना होगा और अपने मन को आकाश में उड़ने देना होगा. दोस्तों, अगर आप सोचते हैं कि आप कर सकते हैं तो आप सचमुच कर सकते हैं. Mahatma Gandhi, the father of our nation, he had a visitor. He had a foreign visitor in his Sabarmati ashram. Though he asked Gandhiji, in spite of your age, you are so old, then how you are able to do this much work? Then Gandhiji asked him, who told you that I am old? Gandhiji said, I am young because I think, act like a young man. If you think and act like a young man, you will become young. Everything depends on your thought pattern, how you are thinking it. Because everything begins with a piece of thought. That is the subject today. Always think positive and constructive thoughts alone. I have always been talking about positive thoughts. Wherever I go to give a presentation, I am always giving more importance to thinking positive thoughts. Why? Because if anything negative that gets down to your subconscious mind, most of you must be knowing the working of human mind. We have got subconscious, conscious and unconscious. Out of which subconscious is the most powerful part of human mind, because subconscious works all the 24 hours. And if anything gets down to the subconscious by default, that is going to remain there forever, and later that will reflect in your action. And that's why it is said, never think anything negative. Always think positive.